Now that our data has been protected, let's go ahead and use some of that data to make some charts. What we can do is we're going to select our average data and our quiz 1 data. And we're also going to select our student names. To select multiple columns at once, hold down the Control key as you click each subsequent column. Next, we're going to go to our Graph tool. And what Google has done for us is it created a column chart where our average quiz score is blue and our quiz 1 score is red. And it looks like the label for each of these has been named quiz name. But what we could actually do is we can change this to make this the x-axis instead of just the label. So we're going to type in A, and now our students' names are along the bottom of the chart. Also, it's important to note that you can make it so row 1 is determined as a header, just in case. So as you can see, it looks like you could use this data to determine, did students do better overall, or did they do better on quiz 1? So it looks like most students did better on the first quiz than they did on all 4. The next thing you can do with your chart is get it out of your data. So let's move this away. And of course you could just drag it over to another place on your sheet. But if you'd like to have this bigger, you can click on the 3 dots and move the chart to its own sheet. So now you have the chart nice and big and you can see all of your options for working with your chart. At this point, remember, if you wanted to share the chart, you'd also have to share your sample data. You can't just share one of these from the bottom. You have to share everything at once all together by using the share button.